For today's video, I will show you how to use our PGN repair tool on our newest website version 2.0. Again, my name is Jessica, and I'll be your Zon.Tools tutorials assistant. What is the PGN repair tool for? The PGN repair tool is a feature that is both available on version 1 and 2. This feature will help you when you need to update your PAT campaign targets under each of the following ad groups: brand, category, ASIN, and defense ad group. If you had changes, let's say with your product sale price or your average product rating, and you want to make sure that all product targets are still in line with your new data information, you can use the PGN repair tool to update such targets. How do we use the PGN repair tool? After logging in, click on your Amazon seller, then click on Ads and choose Sponsored Products, since this is what we will use for this tutorial video. After clicking on Sponsored Products, click on Product Group Network tab. Choose the PGN you wish to run the PGN repair tool. Click the 3 dots action button. Choose the Repair PGN. A modal will appear and you'll need to fill in all the requested information. First, the average product sale price. You'll want to add your new product price if you've updated your selling price. Let's say your new product sale price is $39.99. Next, your average product review rating. Let's say your rating is now at 4.9 star rating. Then we'll also need your PAT campaign budget. We are only looking for the PAT campaign budget, not the whole PGN. Where to get this information? The easiest way is to go back to your PGN level. You can close this modal first, or if you have a different tab open on your browser, just go back to the PGN level. Beside the PGN name, you will see your PGN letter icons, E, P, B, A, and T. Beside each letter is the corresponding budget of each campaign. E stands for exact, P for phrase, B for broad, A is your auto, and T is your product targeting campaign or PAT. We will copy the budget of T, which is $25. Just enter $25 on your PAT campaign daily budget. After your PAT budget, we move to the next info, which is your PAT campaign default bid. For the default bid, you'd want to get the default bid of your defense ad group. Just a quick note, we are using the defense ad group because, as mentioned on our previous PGN overview video, the defense ad group has 100% of the default bid for the PAT campaign. Once all information has been filled, make sure that you've toggled on the ad groups you don't want to update. Leaving the toggle off means you want the system to update the targets on these ad groups. We also suggest that before running the PGN repair tool, is to archive the ad groups beforehand. Once all is complete, simply click on Apply Repairs. Once you see the successful modal, you can now go back to your ad groups to check on your newly updated ad group targets. And that is how to use the PGN repair tool. Continue watching our tutorial videos to learn and understand more about how Zon.Tools works.